What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the Soundpeats Mini Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what these earbuds can do. Here we go. We've already reviewed Soundpeats on this channel before, and we're going to test out their brand new earbuds. So let's open it up and see how well it does. Here we go. Comes with the literature. Pretty nice packaging. Put that on the side for now. Up here it has the different sizes of earbuds, USB-C cable right there as well, and the earbuds itself. Very small, very slick. It's actually, I have a feeling that this is smaller than the AirPods. Let's try putting this on our ears. There we go. That's what it looks like. What do you guys think of that? Pretty good? What on the other side? Not bad, eh? Let's try to do a shake test now. Let's see if it'll fall off, you know, if you're like boxing or something like that. Whoa! Yeah, not bad at all. It didn't come off. Now we have our phone here on the settings, so we're gonna go to Bluetooth and we're gonna look for the Soundpeats Mini Pro. There it is. We have it connected on our phone now. Let's go test out some bass boosting music here. I got about 50% on the volume there. Oh yeah, I feel that. Let's go 100%. Let's see if I could do it. About 90% is about my max. I don't think I'm gonna go further than that because it's too loud. Bass is great though, compared to the Beats Studio Buds. This pretty much is on par of that, which is really good. Definitely has more bass than the AirPods Pros, so that's really good as well. Now let's test out. It's gonna get picked up by the mic here. We're gonna go full blast here. So now we're gonna test out the controls of this. When you double tap the earbuds, it should play and pause the music. Let's try this out. There it is, it pauses it. And it plays it really good. So if you want to change the volume, you can do that as well with single tap. Let's try this out. As you can see on the volume meter there, it does go down, and of course it works on mine as well. Just gotta make sure that it is a single tap, or else you'll be able to trigger the play and pause. There we go. It's able to go up. It's actually pretty responsive for the most part. So if you want to play next, we're just gonna press and hold the earbuds. So let's try that out on the right side. So as you can see there, with 1.5 second hold, it's able to go on the next track. Let's try that again. As you can see there, goes to the next track. If you get a phone call, you can also use the double tap feature. Kind of like the play and pause, but during the phone call, it'll answer or hang up the phone call. If you want to reject a phone call, you can do that as well by press and hold any of the earbuds. 1.5 seconds as well. If you have someone on hold, and if you want, like, if you have two phone calls going at once, you're going crazy, you have multiple calls going all together or whatever. Anyways, you can press and hold the earbuds for 2 seconds. If you want to manually put it on pairing mode, all you have to do is press and hold the earbuds for 6 seconds. If you want to bring up Siri, you need to triple tap the right side. So let's try that out right now. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It brought up Siri. Really nice. Stop Siri. And if you want to enter gaming mode, all you need to do is triple tap the left side. There we go. If you want to switch on a normal or transparency mode or active noise cancelling mode, you can do that as well by press and holding for 1.5 seconds the left side of the earbuds. Let's try that out right now. Right there. Let's try this out. Oh, yes. This is definitely active noise cancelling. My noise is pretty much muffled. It's pretty good actually for the most part. Whew. Let's play some music here. Oh, that's good. Active noise cancelling. Pretty good. Now let's go for transparency mode now. Let's see. It says pass through on there. Whew, that's weird. Oh, that's a weird. Whoa, my voice is also amplified on that. Really cool. Yeah, transparency mode, which is pass through mode on the earbuds. Really good. Um, Definitely would be using if you want to talk to someone right quick. You don't have to take off the earbuds or anything like that so that you don't lose it. And then you can talk to someone without any problem at all. Really good. Now let's do let's do another one here, normal mode. And there we go. We are now back in normal mode. Personally, I would recommend this for people who want a very small and compact earbuds without any tail whatsoever as well. Like if you have the AirPods, they are bigger than this and they have a tail. I don't like the tail. This is a nicer design by Soundpeats. Really good addition with the transparency mode and active noise cancelling as well. And the game mode is really awesome as well if you are into gaming. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.